Hello friend, in this tutorial we solve a problem which is based on the concept of heat and work. Let's have a look on the question and try to understand what is given in the question and what we have to find. This is the best way to solve problem if you understand what is given in the question and what you have to find. Then you can solve the problem with ease. Okay, if you have not understand, then listen me carefully. In the given question, there is a steel ball which of 1 kg and a specific heat of a steel ball is 0.4 kilojoule per kg Kelvin. Initial temperature of a steel ball is 80 degrees Celsius, which is dropped into a water of 2 kg mass and initial temperature 30 degrees Celsius. A specific heat of water is given, which is 4.2 kilojoule per kg Kelvin, and we have to find the final steady state temperature of water. Since the temperature of a steel ball is higher than water, then a steel ball will release heat to the water and temperature of water will rise slowly. After some time, a steel ball and water temperature will be at the same, and at this point equilibrium or steady state take place. And according to the question, we have to find the temperature at the steady state or equilibrium point. To solve, we use the concept of heat. The amount of heat that released by the steel ball will gain by the water. Okay, let's go for the solution. Suppose the final temperature of water is TF and these values are given in the question. We know friend, heat is equal to mc delta T, and by using this formula we try to solve, or we will get the final temperature of water. Since heat gained by the water is equal to heat lost by the steel ball, that's why it is equal to, and after putting these all value we will get the final temperature of 32.27 degrees Celsius. Okay, I hope you have understand this problem, and if you have any query or doubt related to this problem, then feel free to ask in comment section. We try to solve your doubt as quick as possible. Thank you for watching this video.